Are you worried about a market crash ruining your hard-earned wealth? With all the recent economic uncertainty, rising inflation, fluctuating stock prices, and looming recession fears, protecting your retirement savings has never been more important. But here's the thing. Most people don't know how to shield their wealth from a market crash until it's too late. Here's the shocking truth. You don't have to ride out the storm and hope for the best. There's a strategy that could protect you from the market's volatility and even help you grow your wealth, no matter what happens to the stock market. I'm talking about gold IRAs, a smart, secure way to hedge against the chaos. Let's break it down. Right now, we're seeing massive inflation pressures. Experts are saying the dollar's purchasing power is eroding, and it's not just a small dip. It's a significant loss that's hurting retirees and future generations. We've also seen banks failing, like when the Silicon Valley Bank collapse sent shockwaves through the financial world. It's a wake-up call. The stock market, bonds, and traditional retirement accounts aren't as secure as they used to be. This is the reality we face today. But here's where it gets interesting. Gold has been a time-tested store of value for centuries. When everything else is crumbling, gold tends to rise. And when you invest in a gold IRA, you can protect your retirement savings from market crashes and inflation, just like thousands of other smart retirees are doing right now. Think about this. What if you could safeguard your wealth from a downturn while still having it grow? Wouldn't that feel reassuring? A gold IRA isn't just about protecting what you've already built. It's about securing your future and keeping your wealth intact for the next generation. Now, before you think this is just another sales pitch, let me tell you something. This is about education, not pressure. We're not here to push you into anything. If a gold IRA makes sense for you, then it makes sense, but we're not here to sell you anything you don't need. I've got something special for you today. If you're serious about protecting your wealth from market crashes and inflation, I've got a free guide just for you. It's packed with information that could change the way you think about your retirement savings. You'll also get a complimentary zero-obligation call to discuss your situation and learn if a gold IRA is right for you. No pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one education from a professional who genuinely cares about your financial future. This is about you and your peace of mind. So, if you're serious about protecting your retirement and keeping your wealth intact through any economic crisis, click the link in the description below to get your free guide and schedule your call. Don't wait for the next market crash to hit before you take action. Your future self will thank you. Remember, you've worked hard for your wealth. Let's make sure it's protected for the next generation.